Okay, how to make chao biang or some seafood rice porridge. Pork bone broth is great, so ironically, we're going to parboil some pork bones. For toppings, he likes julienne ginger, some scallions. So the ratio I have trialed and error over time. But essentially 1:8 ratio is probably the easiest to remember, 8 being a lucky number. But if you want it thinner like I do 1:9 or 1:10. The duration of simmering depends on the quality of rice. Mine was no good, so mine went for about 2 hours. After the 2 hours, I added about half a ladle of fish sauce, some green onions, that special powder called MSG, and seafood toppings always take very little to cook. So I pop in some shrimps, some big old scallops that I took out some savings to buy from Costco, and I let it simmer in the chao for about 5 minutes or so. Laid it all out onto a bowl and add your toppings. You can do scallions, cilantro, bean sprouts, fried garlic and shallots, ginger, white pepper, and chili oil. Hell, you can put in the stinky stuff like fermented tofu and soybeans, but I decided to spare him today. But what I like about this is the seafood with the pork bone broth makes it naturally sweet. And that's it.